Hello everyone. Welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show and tell you what to do if you forgot your Android phone password. What to do, how to be, and how you can unlock it. Please subscribe to the channel. Like, and watch this video to the end. Let's get started. If you locked your Android phone or you don't remember the password, the first thing I want to say is do not worry. Now we will unlock it and we will be able to re-enter it, play, be in all sorts of applications and so on. The first thing you need to do is to press these two buttons, the shutdown button, the volume button minus, and hold until our phone is not turned off. So we wait for the phone to shut down. We remove our fingers and wait for our phone to reboot. I wanted to say that this method works. Now we will be able to reset the password, but unfortunately, delete all the data that were on our phone. So you can't save games, apps, photos, everything will be reset. But the most important thing is that our phone, we will be able to return it to its previous state. Not to be thrown away, not to be disassembled, and we can just reboot it. Delete the old password and reset the new one, but we'll lose the data, don't forget that. Let's just wait for my phone to reboot. And after that, we'll continue. But after our Android phone has rebooted. Now, in order to completely change the password and reset the password so we can unlock it, we need to press the off button and the volume minus button again. After the phone turns off, we hold the off button and change our finger to the volume plus button. I'll show you how to do it. We hold these two buttons. After our phone turns off, I'll show you again. We take it and put it on volume plus and hold it until we see the menu. The menu to unlock the phone is here. Look, we control the volume plus is up. Volume minus is down. We press exit. This is the home button. That's okay. And in order for us to do that, we can just reset it. But if we want to reset all the data and then use it, we press wipe data. We press OK. We press wipe data again. OK. After that we press confirm and press OK. Thus our phone will be reset to the original factory settings. Nothing will be left behind. But the most important thing is that we will be able to use the phone. This is a simple way to do it. If you liked this video, be sure to subscribe to the channel. Put likes. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.